Hey, what's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a deposit to your Bitbank account, okay? See everything you need to know about Bitbank. That's this video over here, okay? That's this video. So I recommend you to go and watch this video because we are not going to start it again. We are going further, okay? Like I told you before that, I will teach you how you can fund or let's say recharge your Bitbank account, okay? And we are going to use Binance to recharge this our Bitbank account. Going further to teach you that right now. Okay, so make sure you have your Binance account ready. If you don't have Binance, all you need to do is just to hop in my description below and you will see the link to register for Binance. Verify your account, do KYC, and know your customer. Once you do that, you will get yourself in Binance. And if you don't have Bitbank account, my description also, and you can do the same thing. All right, so let's go. Let me show you everything you need to do. Let me show you, like, if you don't have Binance accounts, this is Binance. This is how it look like. This is Binance. Can you see that? This is Binance. Okay, if you don't have Binance account, you do exactly what I ask you. Hop into my description below and you will get yourself in Binance account. Okay, so without wasting much time, another important thing, just all you need to do is, once you find yourself in my channel, click on subscribe here, click on turn on the bell, okay, and you click on this all. Simple. You are welcome to my channel, okay, so that whenever I upload interesting video like this, you'll be the first person or you'll be among the people that benefit from it. What I teach you here is genuine and is a practical stuff that once you do what I ask you to do, you will get excellent results, or your results will be even more than mine, or you will not even get any results. That's the truth. But our aim here is to get results, which is the reason why you should do exactly what I ask you to do. That's when you will start getting results, okay? So if you go to my description, you will see the link to join Bitbank. Bitbank is investment platform where you can invest, okay, and you get your return. And like I said earlier, that I explained everything in this particular video here, okay. I explain everything. The link is also in the description for this particular video, okay. That's where you can learn everything you need to do in this step 2 we are following right now. All right, this method we are going to use is P2P. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, you will notice that Binance is being, or any type of cryptocurrency have been banned from Nigeria. Okay, but there's a way out, and that way out is P2P. Okay, if you want to join Binance also, it's very simple. It's very simple, and without, if you don't even want to make money using Bitbank, okay, you can make money genuinely with Binance. You can make money genuinely with Binance without even going to Bitbank. Okay, you can make money genuinely. So that's what I'm about to teach you, how you can go about that. This is a trading platform also where you can make millionaires are here. Millionaires are here. Okay, so the choice is yours. If you want to make money in life, you need to do some little sacrifices, and the sacrifices is this I'm about to teach you right now. Okay, Binance, I will give you a detailed video on how it works, but for the purpose of this video, we are only going to teach you how to use P2P trading to fund or recharge our Bitbank. That's what we are going to do right now. Okay, so you need to make sure you register with Binance, and also make sure you verified your account. As you can see, my own is being verified. Can you see it? Verified account. You need to verify account. You don't need VPN to verify your account, and everything is legit here. Okay, so that's that. So once you are in Binance, the next thing to do is just to click on this P2P trading. Can you see that? You click on P2P trading. Once you click on that, then you can buy Ethereum, you can buy NGN, okay, you can also buy Solana, okay. So anything you want to buy is here. So for this purpose, we are going to buy USDT. That's what we are going to make use of in this video, okay. We are going to buy USDT. So if you want to buy USDT, the next thing or the main thing you need to do here is to know the amount of USDT buy. Like the first one is selling USDT worth of 40,000 450,000. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is selling 100,000 to 444,406.10. Okay, that's the second one. The third one is selling USBT worth of 50,000 to 500 and something thousand. Okay, so that's how it works here. You know the amount of USDT you want to buy. You can buy here and also sell here. Okay, and how to buy here and sell here is that once the price is down, you can buy, and once it's up, you can sell. That is for another video. I will detail video on how you can do all those things in my next video. Okay, but like I said earlier, that we are only going to recharge our Bitbank account through Binance. Okay, so if you are here, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on this amount. Click on amount, okay, so that you will be specific on the amount or the particular amount you want to buy, the quantity you want to buy. Okay, once you are here, you click on this enter total amount you want to buy. You can buy like 4,000 naira. Okay, you can buy, sorry, if you want to buy it in your own currency, okay, sorry to that, if you want to buy it in your own currency, it's very simple. You click on this place, this particular place. Can you see where I'm showing you? You click on this particular place. Okay, once you click on this particular place, you can change it to your currency. Okay, you can change it to your currency. You can change it to your currency if you want to buy it. Okay, this is my currency, that's why I'm using NGN, that's Nigerian currency. Okay, you can use your currency to do the same thing, because I know that a lot of people are here. You can do it with Uganda currency. Okay, UGX, you can use it. You can use it USD, you can use it with UYU. So any of your currency, you can make use of it. But in my own purpose, I'm going to make use of NGN. Okay, I'm a Nigerian. So once you are here, you click on the amount. Okay, the amount you want to pay, you click on that. If you want to pay like 4,000 naira, you pay 4,000. You click on 4,000 naira, you click on confirm. Okay, what this does is that it will get you people that are selling 4,000 naira, and this person is selling 749.99. Okay, that's what this person is selling. Okay, we look for the amount, and this person here is selling 750. You need to know the amount people are selling, so that you know, you will compare and know the amount you want to sell. Okay, you will know or compare the amount you want to buy. So let's just payment method. Payment method, you can select all. Like if you want it to be only those that want to do transfer, okay, you can do it. If cheaper cash, if you want to see people that have cheaper cash, you can select cheaper cash. But in my own case, I want to use all. Okay, because I can do transfer to anyone. So once you are here, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on buy. Okay, because like I notice here that other people are selling 750, 750.09. Okay, and this person is selling, so we are going to buy from the first person, which is selling 749.99. Okay, that's people that we want to buy from. Like I said earlier, you can make a lot of money using this strategy. Okay, but that's in the next video. I'm going to give you a detailed video on how you can do that. If you like what I'm doing here, keep smashing that subscription button, because I'll keep giving you what you need to do to make money online. That's what I'll keep giving you here. So click on buy. This is after verification. After verifying your account, you are going to buy here. As you can see, click on buy with zero fee. Okay, you click on that. Sorry, you put the amount you want to buy. That's 4,000 naira. Can you see that? And I'm getting 5.33 USDT. That's the amount I'm going to get. That's the amount I'm going to get. I click on buy. Okay, then you can go to the chat here, this place. You click on this place. You need to chat with the person. Okay, tell them that, are you online? I want to make payment. Okay, this is what we ask the person. Okay, this is what we ask the person. And another thing I want to tell you is that if you want to make any transfer, can you see this person say that yes? Okay, once you want to make any transfer, like you want to buy, make sure that once you the money, okay, you notify the person that you want to make money. Like, I want to make money now, make the payment. So I will tell him okay, then I'll go back and click here that says make payment. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the account number. This is the account number. Okay, you click on this place, and copy the account number. Then you check the account name. This is Kuda. Okay, this is Kuda, and the name of the owner is Patricia. Okay, so you need to check all those things, and then I'll pause this video and I'm going to do the transfer. Okay, see you later. A few minutes later, I have done the transfer. Let's go back and show how that I have done the transfer. Okay, let's go back. Then after this, you need to click on this particular place. Okay, transferred. Notify the seller. I click here. Okay, so I'll tell the person now that I have transferred, and the USDT I'm expecting right now is 5.33. Okay, that's the USDT I'm expecting. So let me go and chat her again, okay, by telling her that I have done the transfer. Let me, okay, have you seen it? So we wait for her to confirm it and give us our assets. Okay, we are waiting for her to confirm it. Okay, and another thing I want to tell you, this is a bonus. Like people that are doing P2P trading, okay, P2P is the best way to make money, the best way that everybody knows. And if you are doing P2P and you are using USDT, you will know USDT is a stable currency. Okay, it's a stable coin that instead of it to be going down, it will be going up. That's the secret of. And just imagine that you use like 500,000 to purchase USDT and you sell it to P2P, you will make a lot of money. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know on how you can make millions with this P2P arbitrage. Okay, but that is in another video. Okay, so if you like what I'm doing right here, all I want you to do is to smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. I still remain my humble self, Nzepoye Karafel, the dude that left home to feed home. Okay, as you can see, she has released the 5.33 USDT. Okay, as you can see that she have done that. So we click on done. Okay, you click on done. And please, if you want to make your payment, don't use any related, put anything like Bitcoin on description if you want to make payments. Okay, please don't do that. So let me click on positive because I like giving review. Trustworthy, safe and trustworthy. That's my life. If you do your, and another thing is that if you use my link, my Binance link to register, you get 10 USDT in. Once you make your first deposit, you get 10 USDT, okay, free of charge, once you use my link to create your account. After this, the next thing is we are going to transfer that money. We are going to transfer that USDT to our account. We are going to transfer the USDT to our account, okay? That's so what you are going to do here is we are going to go to our wallet, okay? This is the wallet. We need to go to wallet. So once we click on wallet, the USB, the total USB I purchased here is 17.42, okay? So we click on deposit. Once we click on deposit, we select USDT. We select fund. Okay, we need to transfer this fund to our USDT. We need to transfer this fund here because this is our fund. We need to transfer it to spots. We click on fund. Okay, we click on transfer. That's 5.33. We need to transfer it so that it will be visible to our USDT. We click on transfer. Okay, can you see that? Here you see fund to spot wallet. So we need to transfer fund to spot wallet. Okay, after purchasing it, it will be in funding. So we can transfer it to our spot wallet. We click here and we choose USDT. Can you see what I did here? You click on this particular place, okay, and then you change it to USDT. Then this place, the amount available, okay, 5.33, that's the USDT we bought right now. So what we need to do is just to click on this max. Okay, this simple means that we want to transfer everything. Okay, that's what it means. So we click on confirm. Okay, now we have transferred it to our spot wallet. As you can see, everything is now in our balance right here. Okay, that's the total USDT I have here is 17.42. Okay, that's the total USDT. So the next thing we are going to do right now is very simple. The next thing we are going to do is to transfer this money to our Bitbank. Okay, but this video is getting too long. I'll cut this particular one and we'll proceed to the step 3, which is I'll transfer it there. I'll teach you also how you can use it to make money on Bitbank. Okay, that's if you like what I'm doing, please like this video, give me your comment and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. It's very simple. So see you in next video. Peace out.